Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to install Google Tag Manager on your Webflow website. By the end of this video, you'll have Google Tag Manager up and running, ready to help you track analytics, manage tags, and really unlock valuable insights about how visitors interact with your site. If you've ever felt a bit intimidated by code or just weren't sure where to start, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's get to where the magic happens. Open up the Webflow Designer and head straight to the settings of the site you want to add Tag Manager to. You'll find the site settings by clicking on your site's name in the dashboard, then looking for that familiar little settings option. It's important to be sure you're in the right project, as any changes here will apply to that specific website. So double check if you manage multiple sites. Once you're inside the site settings, look towards the top menu and click on Custom Code. This is where you can add snippets of code that run either in the header or the footer of your site. It might look a little overwhelming if you've never added custom code before, but trust me, you won't be writing code from scratch. We're just pasting in something ready-made that Google Tag Manager gives us. Now, if you haven't set up a Google Tag Manager account already, you'll want to do that over at Tag Manager, Google.com. Once you've set up your Tag Manager container for your domain, Google will give you two pieces of code. There's one that goes into the head of your site and another for the body. In Webflow, we'll use the footer section for the second code instead. So with your codes handy, copy the first one that's labeled for the head. Over in Webflow, paste that into the head code area in your custom code settings. Take your time with this step, especially if you're switching between browser tabs. Make sure you're copying and pasting the entire snippet. You don't want to accidentally leave out a single character. Next up, switch over and copy the second bit of code from Google Tag Manager. This one is usually meant to be placed immediately after the opening body tag in your HTML, but since Webflow doesn't let you edit the body tag directly, we'll paste it into the footer code box in your custom code section instead. Don't worry, this is standard practice for Webflow users and it works just as reliably. With both parts pasted in their proper places, go ahead and scroll down to save your changes. The Save button is at the bottom, so don't miss it. Webflow will update your settings, but keep in mind that these custom codes don't actually go live until you publish your site. That brings us to our final step, publishing. Click the Publish button and select your domain to push all these updates live. This might take a moment, especially if you have a large or image-heavy site. Once it's finished, your Webflow site is now running Google Tag Manager. Now you can add triggers, tags, analytics, remarketing, whatever your marketing stack needs. And that's it, you've successfully installed Google Tag Manager on your Webflow website. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with anyone who might need a hand. Got questions or ran into any snags? Drop a comment below, I'm happy to help out. And if you love easy-to-follow web tutorials, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.